tayo mamaya. Oh, last photo lang ma'am. Bago na sila.
Okay.
Dito tayo. Yung po. Yung lima. Huwag na kayo. Sumunod. Okay na po. Cut na. Master. Go, go.
Sir, any statement po?
Thank
Ano
you.
pong masasabi niyo? Sir, ano pong plano? Sir, huwag yung plano, sir. Attorney. Sir, plano mo. Sir, huwag magiging plano niyo after this, sir.
Ano next plan mo?
Sir, sir. Sir, ano magiging plano niyo, sir?
Anong plano na sir? What are you plan?
Sir, ano magiging plano after this?
Excuse me. Sir, any words? Okay.
Sir.
Attorney, any words po? Regarding the update. Na-receive niyo ba yung subpoena?
Ano ang plano ng attorney pa interview na lang para maalis kami?
Pwede lang ano?
Okay, super quick lang.
Yeah. Mike.
Yeah, so my clients are going home. Today they're walking away free under their constitutional right to bail. And hopefully very soon they'll walk away vindicated from all the publicity, the public trial that they've been subjected to. Again, I want to reiterate that they are innocent. And so we have been working so hard actually since Wednesday. We've been working on the different legal remedies. And we're glad that finally they're going home to their families now. Ano pong next step ito? Of course, we are going to be waiting for the resolution of the case. Hopefully, it will be a dismissal. We are very positive and confident that it's a dismissal. If not, then we're going to fight it out. We're very confident of our legal defense. And again, my clients are innocent. There was no crime, there was no extortion, and they are being unfairly judged now by the public. But again, social media is not the battleground here. We're going to keep fighting legally. And so, yeah, I'm very optimistic about that. Thank you so much.
Regarding sa subpoena ni CJ Hero, may na-receive na ba kayo, attorney? Attorney, may na-receive na kayo na subpoena ni CJ Hero? Sabi niyo kagabi wala pa kayo na-receive, attorney?